Here's how to size up or size down your icons perfectly. So in Windows, by default, there are three options. So if you right click and go to view, you can either have large icons, medium icons, or classic icons, which are the small icons. But there is an even better way to size up or to size down your icons. So to size up your icons, just click on Control and wheel and mouse wheel up to gradually increase the size of your icons. You can also do the same thing back. You can size down your icons through going with Control and mouse wheel down. With Control mouse wheel, you can size them up to something much bigger than the large icons. As you can see here, they take so much space. Or you can size them down up to something that is very, very small.